Hi everyone. Uh, in this tutorial I want to show you how configure your Python environment in Visual Studio Code. Recently I refactored my laptop, so it's excellent occasion to do it from the zero. First we must to download Python, which we will use. I highly recommend to use uh, Conda version because it's more easy to use and manage version of code in your work. You will do a lot of project with different libraries, and after some time it will be a lot of chaos and a little space in your memory. So first I want to download Conda. I write Conda download. Yep, yes. Conda Navigator. No, now all get start. Can use my Google account. Okay, I will be use Windows version. I have a lot of uh, very specific projects, so I will use Anaconda distribution. If you start with Python and learn basic, I highly recommend to use Miniconda. It's much faster, but it has less libraries to management, so you can choose. For beginning, Miniconda will be better. I will go with Anaconda distribution. Now it's download. Must wait a minute. Oh, now it's it. So in my download folder, I already have Anaconda. Let's go with next steps. Agree. Just me. Okay. Yeah, will be nice thing to use default US version as recommended. Yeah, we want to add to path environment environment variable. Uh, Without this check, we will must do it manually. We can check it, it's not important. So now we install. Oh, this is completed. So we must go next, and finish. So I think now we can use Anaconda. Now you should see a loading screen in your computer. Running, okay. Must double check to open application. I can see green ring my other screen, but I can move to sharing screen. So yeah, after some time you should not now. Okay, that's the most interesting part. We already have some base version with some download libraries. So now it's loading, packet is okay. Now we can see there's a lot of libraries. Also import some extra libraries if we need. So for now that's all what we need. So now we can go to download Visual Studio Code. Code download. Okay. For me it will be Windows. If you have another operating system, you can also choose Linux version, Mac version. And now it's downloading. You can see here. Now we can go to the file. I think we must wait a little. Yeah, and now we can see application. We can choose our language. I will stay with English. Another window, so must accept pigment. Next, we can choose a path. Stay with recommended. Next, we can create a desktop icon. I think you can. It's optional, but you can also for start add to desktop icon, and we will install. Okay, it's finished. So now in your computer should open Visual Studio Code window. We can create new file. Better we can, for example, create test folder. We can open this folder. now I trust authors. Now you can create file. Yeah, I want to install Python extension. If you don't see that window with recommended install Python, you can also go to extensions and find Python. Now it should find something. Go back to my files. We can see this. Let's try print the. Yeah, it works. So don't worry if you see pop window with communication about don't find Python version. It's because we not use Anaconda with Python and not clear Python, so it's nothing to worry. You can download another Python, but why? It's, it's only being use more space in your computer memory. It's not necessary. We can want also check Jupyter. So also we want to print something in Jupyter Notebook. We must select kernel. Now it automatically install requirement things. Now we should. Why this not work? We must write from the beginning. Oh, now it's thinking, and it works. So now we can use Python and Jupyter to. It's also in mid-time some pop-up. You must agree for everything, and it's done. You can write your first code. Additionally, if you want to write your first code and don't want to download everything of this, you can also go to Google Colab, create some new notebook on work in this demo version with some recommendation to try, and it also should work. Also import libraries, and it's work online without any necessary tools to download before. So it's everything for me. It's my first video tutorial, so I will be appreciate for any feedback. I also so will be try to answer any question if you find some problems in download Visual Studio Code and Anaconda and to connect it to works together. So it's everything. Bye.